Mahesh, and I am a plant biotechnology scientist. And I was born in a small town called Malvadi, Mandya district, which is the sugar belt of South India. Okay, and also I belong to a farming background, so that was my passion to come into the agriculture. So I did all my schooling over there, and then I shifted to Mysore to do my masters in biotechnology in '98.
My name is Dr. Anuradha Singh and I have done my PhD from University of Leeds in UK.
So as you all know, Mysore is the city to study, not to work. So I just moved back to Bangalore for my project work, and after my project work, and I met a wonderful scientist called Dr. Villu Patel, who is like almost like a godmother for me. Because of her, I am here today with all the experiences I went through with her. And I was just new to the Bangalore city, and she has just came from Belgium, finishing her postdoc, and so she gave her an opportunity to work in her lab. And the first project I worked on was the drought tolerant rice. So as you all know, rice needs a lot of water. So we were developing rice plants which can grow with less water. So during that period, that company, uh, Gem, where I work, funded my PhD in France. So the part of their company I went there, and then after my PhD in France, I moved to UK for my postdoc, and also I did a little bit of business development.
I met Dr. Mahesh in 1999 when I completed my master's and I had joined a very small startup company called R.V.Institute at that time. And we were working together for about 3 years. We fell in love and we got married. Then Dr. Mahesh went to France to do his PhD, and from there I moved on to UK to do my PhD.
So like that, we were exposed to the international side of the seed business, and slowly, I think we grew from. I think I was the eighth student to join, and we grew up to 1,500 people in the same company. So, but unfortunately, the things will not be the same. So we had to cut down the people. So then I moved from UK to back to Bangalore to look after my people here, all my scientists and other things. So like that, we came to zero because of various reasons. Right? So during that time, I think there was a little bit of struggle to find, because you know the agricultural community is the last community what you see in India as an you are like what is it, to earn salary or something like that. That's the last option. But we were into that boat. So then I struggled. Then I got an opportunity to work with one of the Australian company called Kagomi on tomatoes. So that project gave me a life back into the system. So then I formed a company called Craftfish Advisory, which is a purely consultancy on how to get to know the agricultural background in India. So like that, I worked in Gujarat for almost like 4 to 5 years, identifying a land which is suitable to grow only tomatoes.
We always wanted to return to India because Mahesh was working with Avastagen, which was a very big biotech company at that time, and we returned here in October 2009. Unfortunately, due to some unavoidable circumstances, Avastagen had to wrap up and it wasn't doing very well financially. So suddenly we were left in the lurch where we couldn't find any other job which was doing justice to our background. Being a very niche market, we couldn't find anything else from, you know, plant molecular biology work which was dealing with transgenics, which is our expertise, or epigenetics, which is where I did my PhD. So after having struggled for about 2 years without finding an appropriate job, we decided the best course would be to start our own company. So this is how Crabfish Advisory first started, and its inception was about 3 years ago.
And the major challenge what I went through is, for agriculture background and biotechnology background, the more you study, there are less opportunities as of in India today. So that's another reason why I had to take a call to do myself. for agriculture and become an entrepreneur. So what we do in Gubbachi is, Gubbachi, the sparrow in Kannada. So that's why we gave that Gubbachi name, where Gubbachi, when it is eating, it will pick the best seed. So that means at the quality level, we are trying to pick the best seeds and we are giving back to the clients. From clients, it goes to the farmers as a best seed. So that means among the parents, you have a different markers for different parents. So that is, we call it as a scanning. It's called DNA profiling. So that's the work what we do in Gubbachi as of now.
We observed that there were companies in the market which were catering to the big players like Monsanto or Syngenta and the other big seed companies, but there was nobody catering to the average mid group of seed companies. So we decided to enter that market where we kept the cost low. That is why our setup is very small, because we didn't want to have huge overheads when we started our company. We mainly work with hybrid purity testing and trade tracking for seeds, and we are doing very good in this field for the past 2 years. This year we attended the Seed Congress in Hyderabad and we have got way more leads. We had not advertised prior to this. This is the first time that we have showcased our company and spoken about it. So that seems to be moving in the good direction. And I would say that this is a good example where we were not born to do business, but we were pushed into this field of entrepreneurship. So it seems to be working out well for us. And looking at our story, I hope it's an inspiration to a lot more others who are not able to find something suitable in the market and therefore can think of something innovative of their own.
Actually, like I said, I started only 2 years back, Gubbachi Crop Science, and we did the initial investment of around 5 lakhs to do this. But the other investment what I had was the knowledge, which we cannot measure it, right, for last 20 years. So it's not like that you have money, you achieve. It's not going to happen like that, right? You need to have knowledge, then you need to have also money, so then you can bridge in and then I didn't face any competition as of now in this industry. Like as I said, the overqualification made us not finding a job here because I struggled like almost 2 years to find a job after studying so much. So the only option was for me to do either to do myself. So we started a consultancy program. So during the consultancy program, I also started consulting a lot of small seed companies where they wanted to have molecular services. Craftfish advisory, it's only me and my wife, investment Dr. Anuradha. So in Gubbachi, also we both are directors, and we have one more person called Dr. Vijay Janapur, who is running Riksha Vignan. He is also one of the directors for this company.
Which we registered is called R.V.Institute, which is going to be a pure R&D company where we are going to do molecular breeding to enhance the crops, and this will be out maybe in another year. The products should be out in the pipeline.
In my previous company, like how I said, I am part of 30 patents story, and in that we have sold a couple of patents to international company called Demographic, and that's a bigger achievement. And it's all goes to my boss, Dr. Vijay. Because of her, I think we are here today. We can do anything.
However, having tasted success in the last 2 years, I think now I understand the game and how it, this is way more satisfying than a 9 to 5 job, because the advantages of being an entrepreneur are tremendous. We have the leverage to take off when we want. We have the leverage to dream as big as we want, and we can decide how much hard work we want to put in and reap the benefits of the same. So this is way better in the long run.
Right? There's no stop for anything to dream. Right? That's what she taught us. Dream big, you will achieve big.